We have another type of graph that you might see, and that would be a bar graph. Bar graphs give you a chart of categories, so they use categorical data where you can break it into categories, where the height or the length of the bar represents the amount of data in the category. Here's a bar graph. It shows the percentage of adults in each of 4 generational categories. Generation, it's like Gen X, that kind of generation. We're really talking like that. 4 generational, so age group categories. Who think the United States is the greatest country in the world? According to the bar graph, which generation has the largest percentage of approval amongst its age group? And so if we slide down just a little bit, it's showing me generational divide over American exceptionalism, percent saying the United States is the greatest country in the world, and you can see that there's a number at the end of each bar, and that corresponds to, down here it tells you the percentage of adults, and then on the left it says what generation: silent, boomer, Gen X, and millennial. Millennial, oh, I missed an N in there. I'm sorry about that. There should be another N. Millennial is ages 18 to 34. Some of you might be in that group. Gen X is 35 to 50. Didn't know that that's what y'all were called. Boomers, I happen to be in the boomer category. We're 51 to 69. And then the silent generation, what a name, is 70 to 87. So you can find your category and see what your peers thought of the United States. And what our question was, according to the bar graph, which generation has the largest percentage of approval amongst its age group? And that obviously is the biggest bar with 64, and that is the silent generation. They are not silent about their approval of the United States, though. And they have 64% approval. So that's not very hard to read, right? You look for the biggest bar, you know who gave the most of whatever the category is. So, and you can see a lot of extra information on the chart itself, and then also down at the bottom, sometimes you'll have more information there. And here it's telling us what those age groups are, who did the research, and where you can find out more about it online.